watermelon plum milk smoothie or cardamom watermelon plum milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious plum recipes and one of the most of the cardamom recipe. One of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes and one of the most different of the healthy smoothie recipes. One of the most unique of the plum smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the watermelon smoothie recipes. We're going to make cardamom watermelon plum milk smoothie. We've taken around 50 grams of sugar, 4 cardamom pods, 50 to 60 grams of plum, and around 200 grams of watermelon. In the plum, the cardamom, the sugar, and the sugar. Close and grind well. Put in the watermelon pieces. And grind well. Pour in 200 ml of milk. Close and blend well. Open. Now the cardamom watermelon plum milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the milk smoothie into the glasses. Final cardamom watermelon plum milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest made for the plum smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most different of the watermelon milkshake recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.